To perform a factory reset of a Samsung S26 Ultra, you can easily do this by opening a system settings for the first. You'll have to scroll into the general management and open those settings. There we go. Now go to the reset option. And over here, and just go for a factory data reset. Now it's gonna check for a few things, and there's all the information that, including everything that will be removed from your phone, like the music, pictures, and other things. Like literally everything will be removed from your phone. But don't worry, all of those accounts like Google or Samsung, they will be removed, but the Samsung not gonna delete them. So you can still use those accounts if you log in even into the same phone after the reset will be complete, or for example on your PC. You have to scroll all the way down for a reset. Now click to delete all of them. And as you can see in this case, it actually required me to be connected to the Wi-Fi because I have my Samsung account here. And the reason is that I have to confirm that I want to sign out of this account, because without Wi-Fi connection, it's actually not possible to do this by using settings, and you will have to do this by using the recovery mode actually.